Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a custom video thumbnail to your video on YouTube in 2024 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a YouTube channel, as well as a photo that we will be uploading to our account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Now go to YouTube Studio. We can use a shortcut on the toolbar. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Content. Go to our video that we will be uploading the custom video thumbnail to. So that's the first one on top of the list. So that's fine. The video title is how to attach a 4K image on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Basic tutorial, new. So let's scroll down, go to upload thumbnail. Before we do anything, let's now go to the desktop. So you should have an image that may have been exported from Photoshop available to use as part of the video. So let's click on the image just to confirm that this is what we are uploading. So that's fine. We can now quit preview. Let's go back to our account, go to upload thumbnail, choose the image that we want to upload. That's fine. So that's uploading. It has been uploaded. Click on save. And the changes should have been made. Let's go back one. And there we have that uploaded image as part of the custom video thumbnail in 2024 for the account on YouTube. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.